To enter recovery mode on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, depending on how you're gonna power off your device, you need to power it up. So either hold the power button and wait until the power menu shows up, or also you can try to click on the power button and volume up button together, like I'm doing right now, to call out the power menu and switch off your device. Now give it a few seconds. After it's off, we should be able to enter the recovery mode by holding again, power button and volume up button, but this will be kind of complicated because we'll need to let go of the power button later. But first things first, let's click on the power button and volume up together. Now when we see our logo, let go of the power button. And now wait a few moments until your device boots into the recovery mode. As you can see, it works fine. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.